This is Arnold. He's been at it for about 5 minutes, and that pile's almost all gone now. He's gonna let me use this so I can get the rest of my piles chomped to shit up. That's awesome, man. Thing's a beast. It's like a super mower. He's getting this. I have a bunch of stumps piled up in that. Hello, little squirrely. Hello, little squirrely. Little squirrely, right there. Don't see many squirrels around here anymore. They're starting to make a resurgence. Foxes, I think, 'cause I ran the foxes out of here. What you think, Arnold?
You just have to, you can't cut those big.
No, that's
You just got to watch out for the hoses and
okay.
the hydraulic pump, and you just move out like I did.
I saw you kicking those. I was going to ask you about that because I started putting stumps in this pile here, but
Yeah,
like
well,
even here, I got the big stuff up front. Should I just pick it on out of there and then?
You can't cut that.
Yeah.
But you can use these.
Slap it out.
Yeah, but watch out, shit gets stuck in the tracks, and you can rip the track off.
I saw how you were just kind of sweeping it out of your way.
Yeah, you just got to play with it.
I know the pile's pretty well what I started. Like this, when I started putting these stumps in it, this was like my stump pile.
Yeah, well, yeah, just take your time. It cut
Yeah,
up,
okay.
You just go to get it's like cutting the grass.
Okay.
Just go to get digest so much.
Okay. All right.
Just leave the big stuff alone.
Okay. Okay.
It's going to need fuel.
Okay. He's coming today. I got more fuel coming today. Now that I got power too. I was gonna say if you were coming up and needed fuel, I did rig up a 12-volt diesel pump with the big hose in it, so just in case when I don't have power. But
I'll drive like a standby generator there.
I've got a 22. I've got the biggest air-cooled one you can have sitting in the garage.
That's no good sitting.
I know. Well, that's all right. So today is day 2 of cleanup. Arnold came by, hooked up the bush-hog, showed me how to use it, cleaned up one of the piles, or the sweeper bush-hog. Thing works well. It'll clean up my piles quickly for me. That's awesome. And Jameis just called me. The gutter guy's coming on down, and be dealing with the gutters on this thing, on the building there. So I'm gonna start with the Sycamores, the stuff along the front of the house here, and I'll go clean it up. Start on that, and then go back to the trees off in the pine forest, the ever decreasing pine forest, shrinking pine forest, I guess is a better term for it. And that will be today. Trees, gutters, bush hog, all kinds of stuff going on today, as usual. Alright, well, let me get this thing fired up here. I better shut my lights off in here too. Gutter man is here. Right on. up on the door there. Good stuff. So this is just some of the stuff from the front yard. I'm not done yet. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loads Sycamore. And that's just from the front yard area. And I still have a couple more loads to go. And some of this stuff wasn't small, as you can see. What a pain in the ass, man. Keep at it. Well, the front yard is pretty much done. It's got all the little shit, but that's got to get raked up. Got all the big shit all the way down the fence line, so got some stuff in the corner from what the neighbors blew up, trees got blown over. Hi puppies. Hi guys. Woo woo. Hi Jack Jack. Hi Jack Jack. Hi Shelby's. Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, there's Ayler. Hi Gator. Hi Jack Jack. What you doing, big guy, huh? What you doing, big guy? Huh? What's my big guy doing? There he is, yeah. That's my big guy. That's my big guy. Hi Shelbers. Hi Shelby's. Hi Zayler. Hi Shelby's. Hi guys. Yeah. Alright. So this was just the stuff from the front yard. That's a kind of stuff. Sycamore stuff is pretty hard wood too. I hate these trees. They grow like spider webs and Velcro. Crap just sticks to everything. It's a pain in the ass, is what it is. These are fixing to get chipify. I'm chipify. All the piles went from the front yard to 7 piles here to that mound right there. Pretty good mound. About almost double what was there yesterday. So, day 2 of storm recovery.